the learning journey that we have had with the Rise and Shine partners has been very fulfilling.
We come together and the Rise and Shine umbrella, whereby partners that have been funded by Comic Relief, partners like ECD Network, Kanko, Madrasa Early Childhood Program, Andy, just to mention a few, come together to share and learn in a workshop for a few days. Just what are we doing? Where are we? What do we need to unlearn or relearn from each other? And what are we promising that we will cascade so that all children in Kenya, regardless of the different parts of the counties we serve, all children are able to receive quality through the work that Comic Relief is supporting us to do.
All the Rise and Shine partners, they have different strengths, and by us complementing one another, we are able to achieve much and also expand the work that we are doing in our communities.
So it was a very good blend for us to have to see what other different components in ECD other organizations are implementing. And we were also able to learn quite a lot in terms of what we are not doing, but what could be relevant in our programming that we could be able to borrow.
We had guiding questions that were designed, or the learning questions that were designed and addressed by different organizations based on what they were doing.
We came up with 4 domain areas that will guide the learnings. And the first one was inclusive and an enabling environment for children with disability. The other area was access to integrated early childhood services. We had another component of nurturing and supportive families, and also policy influence. So through the 4 domains, all the partners were able to think through questions that will guide the journey.
We borrowed a lot from the learning workshops, and we came and incorporated in our activities. For example, we are conducting focus group discussion in ECDs, and whatever we tell them, we have to have a balanced exercise. We have to have balance. If it's a female caregiver, you have to accompany your male caregiver, if at all he's not working, if at all, so that after the meeting you can go and implement whatever you've been told. Because we realized most cases we have the women, yes, they respond to everything they are told, but when they go to the homes, it cannot be implemented.
There's a great improvement from the time we started our training, because so far we've trained over 400 parents within Korogocho. And most of these parents again have formed parental groups within the communities. So with these parental groups, they're able now to monitor some of these cases within the community.
Because of our work through the Rise and Shine project on caregiving and safeguarding of children with disabilities in informal settlements, we can see that children with disabilities now have an opportunity to grow in a loving and supportive environment where parents are engaged, parents have the tools to support them to gain their milestones, to take part in activities of daily living. We see schools that are now confident to enroll a child with a disability. So because of our project, children with disabilities are now accessing quality inclusive early childhood education.
To us as an organization, because we've seen how those the lessons have generated changes in implementation for the partners. And they have also been very satisfying to us, because we've seen how the partners themselves have grown in their implementation, appreciated the role of learning and what it can do to improve implementation and also improve impact. So there has been a number of changes that have happened, and we are very satisfied with the journey and the changes that it has brought among the partners that we have worked together with.
The more we have frequent meetings, then we can be able now to really illuminate on where we are and even crafting strategies.
For early childhood development, the future looks better, much better. I think we are having more discussion among the stakeholders about the need to work around issues to do with children across different sectors. The fact that organizations are willing to share their learnings, first of all learn and then share, that we believe will help to move the issues around ECD much faster forward as we progress.